Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're taking a look at a 2015 Dodge Grand Caravan SXT. Under the hood we have a 3.6-liter V6 engine and a 6-speed automatic transmission. This guy's in black. It looks great. You have the chrome accenting on your grille up front with your halogen headlights, and coming around the side we do have 17-inch rims with Goodyear brand tires. They look great, and those rims look great. You do also have heated exterior mirrors right there, and coming all the way around to the back of the vehicle you have your SXT badging, your Dodge, and the Grand Caravan. You also got your backup camera right there. Open it up just like this. Lots of room back here as well. Tons of room for storage or groceries or whatever you might need. You do also have the stow and go seat, so you just gotta follow the instructions. So number 1 is right here, 2 is here, 3 right here, and 4 is this guy here. Folds right down like that. Then you got even more room, and you can do the same with the other side and the seats up there. Okay, we have our keys here, 2 presses to unlock, 1 press to lock. We got our panic button and our remote start there. But let's take a look on the inside here. So on the door you do have electric mirrors, windows, and locks all right here. Bit of chrome accenting on the handle, a handle here, some storage here and down here. Looks great in here. The seats are very soft, very comfortable. You do have the controls over the seats here, so backward and forward, as well as tilt and lumbar support. And then up here we do have the controls over lights, so we do have our off, daytime running lights and low beams, as well as our in-cabin light control here. And right up here we have the control over the high beams, turning signals, and windshield wipers. Okay, let's start her up. Foot on the brake, key in the ignition, and we're good to go. In the center here we do have our speedometer and our odometer, as well as our fuel gauge and our engine temperature. In the center there it does tell us how many kilometers we have, our trip A and B, as well as our distance till empty, the kilometers, and our liters per 100 kilometers, as well as the temperature outside. Now that is controlled from right here with our Bluetooth options. Horn in the center, edge of cruise control options right there. Gear shift is right here, just like that. And when you are in reverse, you got that ever useful backup camera, keeping you nice and safe right there. Now in the center here, we do have a touchscreen display, so it has AM, FM, and Sirius XM all in there, as well as you do have your voice recognition call out button for the Bluetooth. You got your radio, you got your media here if you have one hooked up through your hard disk. If you have your disc, or if you do have one hooked up through aux cord or USB, volume up and down. You got this button here to load a CD or DVD into it as well. Then you do have your menu right over here, as well as your audio options, your files, and then you have your USB and aux cord plugins, volume up and down. And then down here in the climate control, we got where it's going to blow out of. We have our dual climate system for you and your passengers, so you can have different levels of hot or cold. You got the power, rear climate controls, and then your defrosts over here. Down here we got our econ mode. We have our hazard lights, our power, as well as you do have your traction control. Some storage here, cup holders there, more storage down there, and more cup holders right there. You do also have your dual layer glove box. Bottom one is a locking glove box. Always nice to keep your things nice and safe. And then up top you do have your sunglass holder. Let's take a look in the back. Open this guy up. Lots of room back here. It looks great. Seats are in the same material as the front. Very comfortable. You can also fold this guy down just like this, and you do have that DVD player. You also have your remotes there and your rear climate control right there. Now these are stow and go seats as well, so all you gotta do is fold this guy up right here, and then you just gotta pull this here, and it folds right into the ground just like that. Then you can pull this back over top just like that. Then you got even more room. You can do that with all the seats, then you got tons of room, as well you do have some cup holders back here, and it does seat 7 people altogether. And there's our 3.6-liter V6 engine. Well, that does it for my walk around video, the 2015 Dodge Grand Caravan SXT. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.